Here's a quick way to resize images on iPhone without cropping them. Unfortunately, the Photos app on iPhone doesn't have an option to resize a picture without cropping it. So, I recommend using an online tool called Resize. It is a browser-based tool that doesn't upload your files to any server. Once you're on the convertresize.com website, look for Image Resizer and open it. Here, select the small box to choose an image. From the options, let's choose Photo Library. Find and select the photo you want to resize and then select Done. After that, you'll see the preview of the image with selected dimensions and estimated file size. You have a few different options for resizing the image. You can manually enter the pixel dimensions, or use a preset based on percentage or maximum width. For this example, I'm going to select 50% of original. You'll see that the dimensions have been reduced. Next, choose the output format for your resized image. I'm going to select JPG for smaller file size. Then, select Resize and Download. You can now either view the resized image online or download it to your phone. If you downloaded the image, look for it in the Files app. As you can see, the resized image is now 50% of the original size without being cropped. And that's it.